Freelancers! Welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. We work full thrive, which means we find clients we like, we do work that we love on our own schedule. You hear me talk about discovery calls all the time because never skip the discovery call. In this video, I'm going to share with you the same things that I share with my masterclass teaching about the tips and tricks, the secrets behind a really successful discovery call. Do you know my discovery calls don't go over 18 minutes? You can do this too. I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks so that you can have a successful discovery call and win more clients. All right, tips and tricks of the discovery call. Just a few pointers that I have found by doing probably 2,000 discovery calls, if I'm honest, to get to the proposals and clients that I've done over the years. I know how to do discovery calls. That's why I can get them down to such a short time. But here's some of my best tips and tricks. Get on the call before they do. Show up early. This shouldn't be a tip or trick. You guys should know this. Be on the call waiting for them. Keep the tone of the call business. I told you I have let it slip over into too much fun, too much friends, too much personal, too much, because it just felt like, no. Keep the tone business. Trust me on this one. Stay firm on your time. If you go over on the discovery call, if you don't keep to it and you end up working with that client, you're looking at going over on your regular calls. You are in charge. When you tell them how long it's going to take a 20-minute discovery call, stick to it. It shows that you're a professional, so stay firm on your time. Always leave them wanting more. Literally, you want them to say, when can we get started? When can we get started? You need to bring that energy. You need to be so excited about what they're working on. It's almost like you're jumping in right now. But I first have to send you a proposal, okay? I always recommend that they get other quotes, which I know is going to sound crazy. It shows so much confidence. It shows that I am not in a hurry. I always say, I hope you're getting other quotes as well. A couple things to look for when you're interviewing other copywriters. And then I'll tell them the things that I know that other copywriters don't have that I have. It's kind of like a backwards little twist. But I would say that, I hope you're getting other quotes. If there's one thing that I want you guys to know about interviewing or working with people off of platforms like Upwork, Clarify Your Message, Fiverr, or whatever. Actually, anybody. Nobody likes interviewing freelancers. Nobody wants to go back to the drawing board. Nobody wants to get a second quote. If they like you and they believe you can do the work, trust me, they're not going to put in the effort to go get another quote, get on another call, and like, oh, what's the point? I really like this one. But when you just that little push, if you push a little bit, I'm telling you, they will lean in and chase you. It's like when I say no to working with somebody, they literally will beg to work together. It's that, whatever, law of attraction, push, pull, yin, yang. I don't want to know what you call it. It works. But it starts with you having confidence to say that. And I'm just telling you, it's one of those things that I've had clients like, oh, I should do that. Or I'll say, oh, I bet you're talking to a bunch of other story brand guides too. And they're like, I should do that. And for whatever reason, they'll probably not go out and get another quote. It doesn't matter. But the fact that I told them to do that positions me in the power position. Okay. It shows that I have confidence. All right. This is ultimately where the project gets started, where the success. You want to be the guide throughout the whole process. I talk about this all the time. In the course that I put together, there's 8 modules, and every module positions you as the guide so that you can not only work with the clients you like, it means that when you get the client, that the process goes smoothly. That's a whole nother call about actually when you land the client and how do you work with them. But I'm telling you, the value of the discovery call is it sets you up as the guide in the process, which means you have authority, which means you can raise your prices because you're positioned in that way, right? And you never want to lose control. You want to share it maybe, but you don't want to lose control. So a discovery call sets you up. It puts you in that position. All right. So just closing this out, these are pretty much the simple things. Be yourself. Hopefully you're interesting, engaging, and people like you. Listen. Always position yourself as a guide. You have to do that in your head first, and then it'll come across in your communication. Always follow up with a detailed proposal. Always follow up like you said you would. It's another way to build trust. So your proposal should come. I send mine about 24 hours later. I don't send it right away. I send it about 24 hours later. Remember, the goal of the discovery call is just to get the information you need to write a great proposal. One step at a time. Just want to send a really great proposal. And from that point, we can talk about what a great proposal looks like and how do you close the deal. Again, I do this in my course. I'm not selling my course this time around, so don't worry. I'm not trying to push that or anything. But for those of you that are like, whoa, I need to know what this looks like from end to end, from building my profile and my portfolio and sending the invitation and getting at it, I cover all of that in the course. Okay, some of you are new to here. Everything you need to get to the point for landing a client. Hey guys, thank you for watching. And if you are looking for more about freelancing, how to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, check out our videos. Make sure you subscribe so you always know when the next video drops. And we have a free Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers. We'd love to see you there.